See, my daughter and
Other daughter.
her friend.
No,
We are
not
at
it,
the
both daughters.
we are at the LA County Fair, May 24th, right today? Yeah. Sunday, Memorial Day weekend.
May 24th.
Trying to have some fun.
Sunday. Memorial.
Ciao. Oh, I see here. That's the crowd. Huh? Wow, that's a scary one. This is like a campus ride. My daughter's there on top, and her friend Anaya. All right, this is like the scariest ride, I think, at the LA County Fair. So they're like hanging over there on the sky, bro. Oh my goodness, so high, lingering there in the sky. I don't know why the kids love it, adrenaline rush so much. Down now, see? They're coming down. All right, coming down. Woo! Scared. Really scared. I think really scared. I can see her face. Baby, are you scared? Oh my God. All right. That's the way to go.
Get your head into the bed, girl. But you don't know, planting out the fantasy. Hey, baby girl, and it's you are the key. Fuck me looking at me, I got this, say you want me. When you gonna give me an answer, me. Because your body ain't right, say you're making me want it. When you gonna give me an answer, me. When you gonna today, girl, then after tomorrow. When you gonna give me a fantasy. Because you know what you love it.
This is like oh, that's quite scary. Quite scary though. Huh? I feel bad.
Bad?
Yeah, scary.
Why bad? Dad, how do you feel?
Quite scary though.
How
Huh?
do you feel?
I feel bad.
Bad?
Yeah, scary.
Why bad? You're gonna get wet. Get ready, Emma, get ready.
So you did, here we go. again, right? This
Yeah.
one. Oh, yeah, the big one, yeah.
How about you gotta leave? Because I'm really scared in the back, so I'm really
Yeah. Shit. Holy cow. What happened?
Oh my God! You're so sad. You're
What
running your
happened?
whole way over me.
Man, that's like scary.
You're not recording.
Yeah.
I'm so scared. Anaya, get ready, sit up.
Okay, take the video.
Woo, I'm gonna get off. Wait, that was dope.
I sucked in, you know.
I felt nothing,
I sucked
bro.
in, yeah.
I was scared because can I show them my Oh my God, get off me! Can I show them my seat?
We're very close to the Giling. All right, see, all the way. Cool, man. The weather is fantastic. Yeah, so nice weather. See, this Giling goes all the way, point A to point B, at the LA Fair, and we're getting lunch over here. Monster Smash, fries, burger, you name it. We gotta get the grill here. My plate is ready here. Burger and hot dog. Ciao. This is how they grill the patties. You see the patties? The burger, the fries. Wow. Sizzling, man, sizzling. Cool. My hot dog. Ooh. We're eating lunch, very congested area. See that? My daughter eating burger, and then her friend is eating the jumbo fries.
But we're all sharing.
Yeah. Right, Anaya?
Wait, how about can we show them our hair?
Huh? Yeah. She has a beautiful hair.
And look at mine.
Curly. With Asian hair. Straight.
Why can't it be beautiful too?
Alright, lunchtime.
No, tell me when someone's coming in front of me or behind me.
Alright, let's go, my daughter. You get like 10 seconds. You can shoot any ball. Alright. Anaya and Yalsam. One more. One more. At least score one. Go, go. Done? Game over.
At least I tried, guys.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Call anyone, right? Anyone, right? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Dad!
Two, I scored 2, right? Alright. Done, right? Done. Let's go 2.
How do you feel?
I feel good.